Mastering the unfinished time periods in present perfect tense. Hello, English language learners. Today, we'll dive deep into the wonderful world of grammar, specifically focusing on the present perfect tense. This video will enhance your understanding of using this tense for unfinished time periods. By the end of our session, you will be able to construct and use sentences that beautifully convey this concept. When we talk about unfinished time periods, we mean periods of time that have not yet ended at the point of speaking. This can include periods like today, this week, this year, or even your whole life. In English grammar, the present perfect tense is often used to talk about experiences in these unfinished time periods. For example, we might say, I have visited France this year. The year isn't over, so it's an unfinished time period, and we use the present perfect tense to discuss it. Creating sentences using the present perfect tense for unfinished time periods follows a simple structure: subject plus have, has plus past participle plus time period. For example, I have eaten pizza today. She has finished her homework this evening. We have traveled to several cities this year. Notice that the verb have changes to has if the subject is he, she, or it. And the verb that follows is in its past participle form. Now, let's look at some more examples to gain a better understanding. Remember, the sentences we're constructing here relate to unfinished time periods. 1. I have seen 3 movies this week. 2. They have built half of the house this month. 3. She has read 2 books today. 4. We have learned so many new words in English this year. 5. He has bought a new car this decade. In each case, the time period mentioned is still ongoing. The week, month, today, year, and decade have not ended yet. Let's practice. Try to create your own sentences using the present perfect tense for unfinished time periods. Remember the structure: subject plus have, has plus past participle plus time period. For example, you, blank, visit many places this summer. The correct sentence would be, you have visited many places this summer. And there we have it. By now, you should have a much stronger understanding of using the present perfect tense for unfinished time periods. It's a powerful tool to make your English communication clear and precise. Keep practicing and you'll master it in no time. Until our next video, happy learning and keep practicing. Remember, the more you use these structures, the more natural they'll become. See you soon!